So gives it back to Galliano. To 11, no look pass to 10. Good passing. Rigby, na-intercept, nakakuha ni Fernandez, binigay kay Torre. Torre, nagmamadali. Quick 2. Back to Torre. Nakita ang kakamping si 15 and it's a possible 3-point play. To Fernandez for 3. Short, buti na rebound ang kakampi. Second chance opportunity. Air ball si Balmonte. Full court pass by Torre. Good move by Sildo. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Torre to Fernandez to Sildo. Back to Torre. Torre for 3. Yes, sir. Air ball. Nakakuha ni Torre to Sildo. Back to Torre. Good two-man play for 2 shots. First one is good. Kaya yung pangalawa. Oo. Good effort. Pero hindi nga lang na-convert. Here comes Sildo. Sildo behind the back. Ooh, what a move by Sildo. You are watching the 5th game for today. Passion Division, BNT Rangers, Carpet King, Jiangxi Hotel. Second free throw is to Relox. Yun lang, nabitawan. Sildo to Bukoy. Bukoy. Score. Niya. Being defended. Intercepted by BNT. Here comes BNT. Fast break. Yes, sir. Fernandez for 3. Yes. Fast break. Fernandez. Yes. BNT. Fernandez. Galieto. Fabros, 3, yes. Ating first half, Torre tumira ng 3, no good. Power rebound, reverse, is good by Sagura. Good passing by the boys in blue. It was a score by Fernandez and it seems there is an injury. Rigby with the ball. Bandala, jumper, no good. Fast break ni Torre. Basket count, sabi ni ref. Ang ating quarter, Carpet King, Jiangxi Hotel versus BNT Rangers, na-intercept ni Saguran. Binigay kay Fernandez. Quick to BNT. Here comes Torre. Torre, cross-court pass to his teammate. Ayun. Pinasa kay Hernandez sa labas. Ay, Fernandez pala. Sorry. To swing back to Fernandez. Ang ganda naman ng pasahan na yon by the two bigs. Hindi, two bigs. Two front court players of BNT. Balik sa laro. Esguera. Nakita si Suwing. Pinasa kay number 17. Good passing. Fernandez, good passing as well. Oh, penalty situation na naman ng BNT, ladies and gentlemen. Cross-court pass to Fernandez. 3. Yes! Nope. Kuha ni Relox ang bola. Binigay kay Laliana. Naagawa ni Sildo. Binigay kay Esguera. Esguera. So, nasundutan na naman. Eto si Sildo. Iyoyoy. Balmonte, mid-range. Wala. Kuha ni number 2. Galieto to Fernandez. Fernandez. Strong move. Yes. Good passing. Naka-asul ay nagmamadali na naman. Yes. Saru. Kuha ni Serrano. Another opportunity for White. Yes, ang ganda ng pasa kay Serrano. Hindi pa rin makapag-convert. Nakuha na ni Fernandez. Binigay kay Torre. Touch pass. Oh! Possible 3-point play pa by BNT. Care of number 11, John Fabros. then 3-point play converted by Fabio. 12 seconds to shoot. Fernandez goes in, passes to Sildo. Ang ganda naman nung look na yon. 14-second shot clock. Stolen by White. 2 versus 1. Sildo lays it in. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes na po mga kaibigan. Kapit, sobrang ganda ng matchup na to. 7, Bukoy. 7, Relox, tumira, no good. Rebound ni Torre. Fast break. 2 versus 1, Fernandez. Quick go. Bukoy, being defended properly. Ayun lang. His teammate, Bandala, good. And good passing, Bukoy will convert. That might be it, ladies and gentlemen. This game has been very good in terms of performance from both teams. Simula first quarter up until the fourth quarter. Kaso yun nga lang, kinapos ang Carpet King. And their final score for this matchup, 90, sorry. And once again, before I leave the microphone to our courtside reporter, I would like to thank the following sponsors.
Hi, this is Jella, your courtside reporter for ASBS Season 9. Congratulations, Team BNT Rangers, for winning the game with a score of 90-82. At kasama natin ngayon ang ating Go Nutrients Player of the Game na si Jun Torre, leading the team with 15 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals. Dahil dikit yung laban nyo, ano yung naging game plan nyo?
Yun, pinagandaan talaga namin itong laban na to kasi yung unang game namin dito, talo kami. So yun, nag-adjust kami. Kaya yung kalaban malakas din. Kaya nag-adjust kami sa depensa, sa ball movement. Baka turo ng coach namin na dumipensa kami ng ayos.
Sir, bakit number 21 yung jersey number na gamit or napili mo?
Wala na. Ito pa rin yung nilagay nila eh. Kaya ito pa rin yung jersey ko.
Shoutouts po.
Shoutout sa Kingsmen, tsaka sa Tropang Tramo na kasama ko ngayon, tsaka sa mga pinsa ko sa Tramo.
Alright, there you have it. Jun Torre, your Go Nutrients Player of the Game.